Hello everyone! Has anyone ever heard of special pig farms in the high mountains of China? Farmers have turned natural caves into ideal nests for their pigs. Let's learn about this unique farming method and discover what makes it so special. Among the countries in the world, China is famous for its strong development of agriculture and livestock industry. With a population of nearly 1.2 billion, the country has enough food resources to feed its large population and also create opportunities for farmers. Here, they demonstrate their creativity in agricultural production, especially in applying pig farming models in remote high mountain areas. One of the prominent models is pig farming in caves, which is a testament to innovation and success in China's livestock industry. This farming method not only provides high-quality meat and rich flavor but also helps significantly reduce the cost of raising pigs. In Shandong Province, China, there is a vast network of caves, which provide ideal conditions for a special model of animal husbandry. In these caves, farmers have created an extremely unique way of raising pigs, without using synthetic chemicals, antibiotics, or genetically modified compounds. Have you ever wondered why they came up with this idea? Truly, this is a testament to intelligent and sophisticated creativity. Instead of having to invest a large amount of money to build a barn, they took advantage of this natural terrain to save costs. The results were surprising. Not only did it reduce investment costs, but it also created a natural and comfortable living environment for the pigs. In these magical caves, pigs enjoy warmth in winter and coolness in summer without the need for any external cooling or heating system. This is truly a miracle of nature, helping to reduce dependence on complex technological devices. The smart layout of the cave farm not only provides enough space for pigs to move and graze freely, but also creates a comfortable and natural living environment for them. Imagine happy pigs munching on organic corn, red apples, and grapes, nutritious and balanced foods. This special diet not only enhances the delicious flavor of pork but also ensures absolute safety for consumers' health. Each piece of pork from here is imbued with natural flavor and outstanding quality, bringing your family's meals not only deliciousness but also absolute peace of mind about consumers' health. Leave number 1 if you like these adorable pigs. Naturally grazed black pigs are famous for their delicious taste and outstanding quality. Completely different from regular pigs, black pigs are raised freely in a natural environment, allowing them to move freely and enjoy fresh organic food. As a result, black pork offers unique advantages. Natural sweetness blends with gentle fattiness, creating an unforgettable culinary experience. You will feel the difference right from the first piece of meat. With high protein, vitamin, and mineral content, black pork is not only delicious but also provides abundant energy and nutrition for the body. Isn't it wonderful? Imagine you are standing outside, looking at a bustling Chinese city, and suddenly you come across a tall skyscraper. Perhaps you think it's an office building or a luxury apartment complex? But that is not the case. In fact, it is the home of thousands of pigs. Do you find it strange? Do you want to discover the secret inside this giant pig house? Let's discover more about this modern and unique pig farming model together. With an impressive height of up to 26 floors, this house is known as the largest single pig farm in the world, capable of processing about 1.2 million pigs per year. Perhaps you feel surprised by the modernity here, right? All pigs in this block are carefully cared for. Their every need is met through the most advanced artificial intelligence system, automatically providing food and water accurately and intelligently. There is something special about the Iberico black pig, also known as the black pig or Spanish pig, that not everyone knows. With their unique meat quality and special layer of fat, they play an important role in creating the famous Iberico smoked meat. Living in a natural environment and receiving special nutrition, the meat of the Iberico pig offers exceptional flavor and incomparable quality. Like any other breed of pig, black pigs breed twice a year, with each litter usually containing 8 to 10 cubs. However, the special feature of black pigs is their living environment. Unlike other pig breeds that are often confined to small pens, black pigs are raised in a large natural environment. Farmers often use open spaces to raise black pigs using natural methods. It can be said that the natural environment plays an important role in creating delicious and nutritious black pork. Thanks to being cared for in a natural environment, Iberico black pigs truly have a happy and healthy life. Through centuries of crossbreeding and selection, they have completely integrated into the Mediterranean environment, with vast, stretching grasslands with lush green grass interspersed with pepper trees and oak trees, creating ideal living conditions for them. The most important thing in creating the special flavor and quality of this pork is the food source. With rich, diverse, and exceptionally suitable dishes, Iberian pork has characteristics that cannot be compared with any other type of meat. Immersed in a free life, Iberian pigs really know how to enjoy green nature and rich and valuable food sources. That is the secret to the wonderful flavor of Iberico black pork. Thank you for joining us in exploring the extremely unique and creative pig farming models in China. If you find this video interesting and useful, please press the like and subscribe buttons immediately so you don't miss any interesting content in the future. Don't hesitate to leave your comments below, we'd love to know what you think. And don't forget to share this video so that many others can join us in discovering these wonderful things. See you again in the next videos. Goodbye. This is our channel, and I'm excited to be part of the team that creates this content with our video editors and content creators.